How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video is going to be very quick. A few wee problems here with this webcam. So as I've already shot this film and it never recorded the image, so now I'm going to try it again. So what I'm doing is it's Monday lunchtime at 12 o'clock, Monday the 5th of October. Listen, thank you all so much for your love and support and lovely comments on the previous video. They're really appreciative. Big shout out to the new subscribers and of course, as always, the old subscribers. So guys, listen, what I'm looking at here is last week, so there's a TV program called Line of Duty. I actually like it, by the way. I only found out about it last year and I've watched all the series. But they were filming here in Belfast. In fact, most of the filming takes place here in Belfast. And last week, they were doing filming up in an area called Beachmount, which is in West Belfast. So I took a wee dander up, started taking some photographs. Now I'm going to overlap a lot of the photographs and wee video clips just as I'm talking here, rather than you looking just at this old mug here. So it was good. It was a great experience, and as I say, that it was surprising how many takes it took. Does that make sense? How many takes it took just to do probably about a 30-second clip in a film or in the show, because I say they're done from every sort of angle. The people there, the residents, were very nice and welcoming to the cruise. The cruise was very nice, the security was very nice, and the stars of the show was very nice too. So I was just documenting it and taking photographs of it, and that's what these photographs and videos are all about. Just a bit of experience, you know. What I did try to do in several of the images is to incorporate the street name, because it's okay getting a tight shot of the actors or the scenes or the crowd, but if you haven't got something there that's going to locate it, it's more difficult for people in the future to look at the images and try to work out where it was. So although they'll be able to recognize the stars of the show, have a bit of a guess of where the photographs were taken, but in reality, if you can incorporate, as I've done there, like putting the street name up in the background, that there for me is part of documenting this section of road, and for photographs for the future. I always say we're capturing the present so those in the future can look back at the past, and I think that's what we're doing. So guys, there you go, a wee short video. I just wanted to say thanks again for all your support on this channel here. I hope you have a fantastic day and a fantastic week ahead. If you haven't checked out that show, Line of Duty, check it out. I think it's good crack, you know what I mean? Your man Adrian Dunbar, he goes, now you're sucking diesel. Now you're sucking diesel. Do you think I came down to like it in a bubble? A couple of old sayings you would get over here in the north of Ireland. But so listen, send you love. Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic week. And if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. You can check me out on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. All the links are down below or up above. And give us a wee shout out and say hi. Consider sharing this video, and I'll see you in the next video.